Hello everybody, welcome back to Building with Bufus round 2 with the maple stump. So we're back down here in the woods today and we're going to work on this food plot. We're going to keep building this food plot. See the big maple stump, we got to work on that. We got to get that out of there. We're going to put that over here out of the way in this junk pile. I got an alert that my trees are coming. The trees that I ordered for the food plot here. So we got to get this done soon. So the plan today is get rid of these rocks, get rid of that big stump, and cut some more trees. We're going to cut this big hemlock here and rip out a few of these smaller trees here and just try to dress this up some more. Get it ready. Get this all ready to go. And hopefully a big enough area to plant some of the trees. But that's the plan today, and we'll see if we can make it work. everybody. So, whew, I stirred up a hornet's nest. Not literal hornet's nest, but if you can see it around me. But yeah, the black flies are out in droves. So I really stirred that up for sure. So you can see we got that other double stump. I didn't realize how big that was. That was pretty huge. So got that double stump out. That was big. Leveled this all out. Got this all pretty good. So now you can see we got that hemlock, and we're gonna cut that down and then cut a few other of those to go that way. There's not much for big trees when you go that way. It's all small stuff. So I want to get, and there's some pretty good soil there. So I want to get that going and see if we have that ready for those trees. So that's the next step. We're gonna cut them down and see where it goes. So here we go. Hey everybody, so kind of looks like a mess, don't it? But time's run out, so that, and I am getting mauled by the illustrious black fly. So we're gonna call it quits for today. We got a lot done though, as you can see. We got I didn't finish with that stump. Remember that big hemlock that we cut down there a few minutes ago? So I started digging that, but the black flies got the best of me, and plus I wanted to get this all, I back dragged all of this so that it's kind of flat. This needs sun, which is why I was cutting those trees. The sun needs to come in here and dry this all out because it's really kind of muddy, and I need to come in and put down some plant some stuff, clover or something, I don't know, whatever, just to make this whole area have some sort of a sod kind of thing. So yeah, so that's got to happen. We got to dig out that stump, and then I forgot all about that big hardwood stump over there. That's probably almost as big as the maple that we did there a week or two ago. So we got a lot more work to do, but that's for another episode and another time. So hope you enjoyed this today. If you did, like this video, subscribe to it, and I'll see you on the next one.